Hey, gorgeous ghouls. I hope everybody's doing fantastic today or tonight, whatever it is, wherever you are, whatever time of day it is. And you're excited to see the unboxing I have here of the October Club box from GotWax. So if you're interested to see what's in the box, stick around. Hey y'all, hope everybody's doing well. As I said in the intro, I'm repeating myself. But I have this is a one-time box I purchased, but you can subscribe and get the monthlies and get it each month. This one is the October Club box called Ghosted. And of course it has ghosties. And yeah, I'm trying to get used to this new setup, guys. Better lighting. There's shadows, it's because I do have some natural light coming in from that way. So there might still be shadows over here right now. But I could close the curtains and fix that. But, and here you go. This is inside of it. Welcome to this month's exclusive GotWax Club box. I love it. You know, I love my spoopy stuff. And it arrives in this black box. I will not be showing you the top because it has my info. Always spooky, you know it. And there's a glare from my light, but we're gonna try to work with it. Brand new, first time using this setup. I have a background and I'm doing this in a different room. And so you can use this as a dashboard or a journaling card. So we have all these little black worms, paper worms, and then some of the iridescent, what do you call it? I don't know, you know what I'm talking about. Look at this, I chose the candle. You do have the option to choose wax melts if you'd prefer to have those. But I already have some wax melts from the shop, so I wanted to, I guess I'm going to be very noisy here. Give me a second to get this started. I wanted to try out her candles. And this one is Ghosted. And dressed with dissolvable toppings and quartz crystal. Warning, tin will get very hot. Remove crystal before lighting and follow burning instructions on bottom of the tin. And there you have the @ for Instagram. And see, comes with the warnings. Oh, let me see if I can get it to do it with, there you go. Without it being too, whatchy-cally. Woodsy, sandalwood, and amber. And see, look at this. You can keep this. You can reuse this. I love it. I just really love that. All right. Oh, it's like little, they're so ghosty looking. And you have your quartz right here. And look at the little ghosts. I like the ones that are kind of in the wax. Like, help me, help me. Or they're rising from it. That's really cool. All right, I'm going to sniff it. Oh, yes, very musky. That's my thing. I love sandalwood, though, so yeah. So, and there is like a glitter in there. Yeah, you can see it right there, right? You saw it, I'm sure. So. I like that. And what size is this tin? I do not remember what size the tin is. But it's a good size, so. Yes, I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's move these out because it does come with some other things in the box. I did place an order for the box and a few extras, so those are in the bottom there. So I'm going to move this out of the way so we can, let's get everything set up here. So it looks nice. Oh, I love this tissue paper. Favorite. Squigglies. Squiggly trees. Spirally tree. Branches, limbs, whatever. It's so awkward. I know I probably sound weird too. Just trying. It's a whole different thing in here. Used to sit on my desk. What else is in here? We have Good. Nice to see you again, freebies. Oh, so much stuff. Oh, love it. Love it, love it. So we have this paper here, which I do love. And I'm going to save. New background, all of a sudden. I probably shouldn't cover everything up though. So I'll just set it to the side over here. All right, let's see here. Is everybody ready for Halloween? Or if you prefer Samhain. I do both. I'm having trouble getting this all out because I don't know why I'm having trouble today. I really don't. I'm so far behind on some of the videos I want and need to do. I have collages I need to do. I was just wondering if everybody's ready. Do you have your costume? If you do, dress up. Or see, and the thing is, with a lot of people drive me nuts. My daughter used to always want to be a fairy princess or something, and I wouldn't let her because that's not Halloween. It's not Samhain. You're supposed to dress like the ghouls so that you blend in with the Walking Dead, the spirits of your ancestors and whatnot. And that's why you put food outside the door, used to be, so you could appease the spirits of your ancestors or whatever. And if you left the food outside, they wouldn't come in and bother you. So you leave a treat. And if you don't, you get a trick. So it means that they could get in. And so when you dress that way, you're supposed to dress in a spooky way to blend in with the ghouls that are outside walking the earth when the veil is thin. And here we go. We have a wax seal with the sticker on the back so it can be used without having to do it yourself. See? So we have that. Yeah, so I have a thing about that. Got a ghosty. Oh, I love it. I love it. We have a little tiny, like, is it? I'm not sure if it's a sticker or not. I'm hoping, I'm assuming. I could be assuming wrong because, you know, that happens. Nope, sticker. There you go. All these little ephemera pieces so you can do a nice little collage. Hello, Bootyful. Tonight we fly. Oh, the Sanderson sisters. I haven't seen the new movie yet, and I'm excited to eventually get to see it. Happy Hauntoween, Beautiful. Love it. And like I said, these are stickers. It's so cute. It's like a tombstone with the ghosty. I like it. It looks like kind of confused. I like it. It looks like me. I love, this is just the card that was in there dividing it, but this will get used too. I don't know if it's just card. I think it is just a card. I'm over here dilly-holing around me. Send it up. But yes, I love black and white stripes, as anybody who's been around for any amount of time to my channel knows. We have thank you and holographic. I love it. It's a bat. It's freaking bats, y'all. I need to do something. Like at the end of my videos, say it's freaking bats, since I've been saying it so much lately. The Boo Gang. Oh, yeah. Home Sweet Haunted Home. Oh, I like that. I like all of them. No, you hang up. I'm always like, what's up? And if you know, was that one on Scary Story? I don't know which one. Probably the first one. I'm not sure, but yeah. And I know it's Ghostface, and I know it's from Scream, but I'm always like, what's up? From the parody. And I don't have to do Boo. You know, you're right. You don't. It has, look in the, I don't know if you can see in the background, it has like spider webs in the background. So I love everything that came. This comes with the box, okay? So the next stuff I'm going to show you is not part of the box. It's part of a separate order I did because I needed some of the stuff she had, because that's what I do. Oh, this was in the bottom too. This was in the bottom of the box. It's a sticker. Oh my goodness. If you wanted, you could cut different pieces. What I do a lot of the time with like a, even like the cover sheet that I'm pretty sure Ray does like has a cover sheet when you print out printables from our shop. I'll take even that front one that has the collage already and take pieces off of that and use it. So, cool. I like this. It'd be cute even if you reused it. Wait a minute, I'm finding something else in the box, man. This is another candle. Oh my goodness, this was this part of it? It says thank you. I'm not sure if this is part. I'm so unprepared. I am so sorry. I'm a dingbat though. This could, oh yeah, I think you do get this too. Yes. Little freebie. No, you hang up. It's the same scent. Nice little, what do you call it? Wax melt stuff. Oh, so cute. This one has bats and ghosts. I love the little ball ones and the glitter and all. And I've been using the wax melts I purchased previously quite often. And this one is sweet tobacco and oud. Isn't that how you say that? O-U-D, oud. Let's smell this one. And it's in the shape of a ghosty. Oh, that smells, oh, yeah, you can smell the layers of that. Yes. So I'm pretty sure this came with the box too. I'm pretty sure there was supposed to be a what you call it, in there, a sample. So, if I'm incorrect, please, Ray, let me know in the comments, and I do apologize, because this was kind of spur of the moment, and I wasn't even going to do the video yet, but then I got it set up here and said, let's try it out. And so I went with it. So now this is a separate order I did. So, let me show y'all what I purchased there. What extras I did. Alrighty. Like the little bag with the little... Yes, I'm squirrel. Oh, that's the same as the one up there, but it's not holographic. I'm talking to myself. I'm seeing things. I love this little bag, and I love that it hasn't been... It has a little bit of tape there, but it can be reused. I love this. Because that's how I roll, guys. That's how I roll. All right. We have these stickers here. They also come in monotone, blacks, and whites. In gray tone. I don't know if it has gray tones in it or not. But I love these, and it's freaking bats. Spider webs. Love them. My favorite things. Bats and spider webs. Love it. Killer pink vibes. And it's just a bunch of full boxes. And I love it. So there's that. And then I also ordered these, and I believe these are holographic stickers that are like the ones she puts on her products, if I remember correctly. Like the one on the, for the wax melts, the little past, the opening, the cover of it. Yeah, I'll spit the words out. Spooky forever, spooky all year. Don't have to do boo, that one's there. Let's see here. I got two there. Nightmare on Ghoul Street, and I like they're all hollow, so love it. And it's basically, it's the same things like that are here, but they're singular and they're holographic, so it makes me very happy. Yep, it's all the same ones, but these here I like to use for decorating my clear covers, or the insides of my journals or planners. It's freaking bad, y'all. So I love everything, and I also will reuse this background that was in with the stickers here. I will reuse it as collage paper. And then I did that. You didn't see that. Oh my goodness. Let me see if I can get that off. Okay. All right. I did it. Oh my goodness, that's me. 100% me. So, that's everything that I purchased. And this, like this right here, this is from the box. You can start a monthly subscription, which I do recommend. I mean, it's worth it, in my opinion. The reusable tins are just, I mean, it's so nice. You just have something after it's all done. I love all the little bits of ephemera. I love the little wax melts. I love it all. And like I said, I will use background stuff too. So yeah, that, and then the other things I ordered separately. So I will have all links to the shop. I will have the shop links and a discount code that I have for anybody who wants it. It is Dina15 for 15% off in her shop. So I will put that in the details in the description box. Details, you know what I'm saying. Wow. Okay, maybe I need to a minute before I do any more videos. But just remember, you're beautiful just the way you are, and don't let anyone take away your shine. And I'll talk to you ghouls later. Bye.